If you need additional income, but aren't ready to apply for an entirely new gig, the next option is a second job or a part-time job. The challenge here is that adding a second job is totally schedule dependent. If we work 8 to 10 hours a day, there's always going to be time for another thing, but there may not be time for another job. If your regular job is Monday to Friday, you have weekends, you can work a job. If you regularly work either an early AM or a late PM shift, then you can, put something into that opposite shift. However, if you've got unpredictable hours or your employer wants you to stay late or, unexpectedly sometimes, then this may not be an option for you unless you're at the same time going to go through a search for the second job. I bet you're looking for a new job at the same time you're looking for the second job. Now, your second job doesn't have to be anything special or permanent or consistent. You can take part-time temporary work as needed, or you can look for something that's more part-time permanent that may actually have an opportunity to become your future gig, your future transition employment. In terms of how you do it, you can actually use some of the same job resources we listed above to find that part-time work as well. There are lots of reasons you may want to earn just a little bit more money. Maybe you've got some credit card debt that would help you pay off. Maybe you want to save more towards a specific spending goal. Maybe you want to get there more quickly. Maybe you just want a little bit extra cushion in your life. Maybe build that emergency fund. Or maybe you just want to add to that long-term compounding savings program that you have and let the compounding work its magic. Before you take extra part-time work, be sure you know your boundaries. The worst thing you can do is take away from that family time or that personal rejuvenation time, both of which are incredibly important for both your long-term health and happiness. And then after having done that, if you don't spend the money wisely, don't use it to pay off the debt, don't use it, that just creates problems. You don't want to do that and waste the resource.